Good morning, everybody. Duarte is also here to help me out. Yeah, day 2 of the mini rebuild. It has been very much rain the last couple of days. So the head start we had on the mini rebuild is now completely gone. Hey, I told you so. So we're now on day 2 and it's 3 days ahead. We thought about because the water's here already for a day, we thought yesterday about covering it up and then working below a tarp. But it was like pouring cats and dogs. Het regende pijpenstelen in Dutch. So yeah, we're still at this point. I'm first gonna clean this out. Most of it I'm gonna put with the old garbage for the steel. And some of the things we're gonna keep. So now we're gonna start opening up the wall and making the door bigger. So I didn't actually do any measuring yet, but this is probably already 80 wide or a little bit more, so that's probably okay. Then we're gonna up this 20 or 30 centimeters, and then we're gonna cut here a big hole for the window. Some people in the comments already suggested maybe I should put in windows in the roof, but I think at this point that's a lot more work for me and figuring out how I'm gonna do that. I now have some experience in opening up the wall for a window in the main house. So this top part is actually the thin wall, and this is not 60 centimeters. This is a little thicker than this. So I think that won't be such a big problem. So we're just gonna cut that open with the angle grinder. I want to teach Dwight a little bit to work with the angle grinder, but not directly the big one. So I'm gonna maybe let him cut a little bit with the small one, just so he can get a feeling of like cutting with the angle grinder. But I'm gonna first measure it out and see where it has to go and what we exactly have to do. And Dwight is in the meanwhile gonna clear out the part here next to the house, clean it up a little, and after we're gonna move the roof tiles that are there. We're gonna move them somewhere over here so they're close to the mini rebuild. I have been thinking about the rafters. Let me see here. Let me get to the other side. So I think we're just gonna keep these things because they're very sturdy. Only the last one they're not, the second to last. So we're gonna look for a replacement for that. Then I'm gonna take off the battens and put on like cladding here. Then put in insulation and put on the battens again. And then if you can see here, we're gonna keep the same height. But because we're going to use different roof tiles and they have to be cemented in also, we're going to take this old cement off. We're going to see what height we need here for and what height we get, maybe 1 centimeter higher. We see where we get and then we cement it up until there, so that we can easily lay the roof tiles like flat with the wall with a little bit of cement. So yeah, we're not going to replace the rafters. So I'm going to support like the rafters on this side now. Because yeah, we're going to take the wall below this part here. So I'm going to support them a little on both sides. And then we're going to cut open the wall. Let's see how that goes. Yeah, the predictions are there should be a couple of more hours of rain. But we are in Garridas, what is not Castelo Branco. And the weather here is a little bit different. So I'm maybe hoping it's like blowing over. You never know. Then we'll probably just stop and take a coffee. Because I don't want to like hassle and put like all beams up and tarp for like 2 hours or so. We do need to get a move on because we lost already 3 days. Let's do this. Duarte's already started there. Go Duarte. So we thought the rain was over for today. Apparently not. Should be stopping anytime soon. Taking another coffee. What was just getting on a roll with the angle grinder. And the boy learns fast. Yeah, but with the wet scaffolding and the angle grinder and being new to this, I'm gonna let him do a piece on the inside when it's dry, and then I'm gonna use the big one to cut it all out. Just when I'm saying that the rain is stopping. But yeah, was this the last of the rain, Duarte? Don't know, huh? I still have coffee, we need to wait. I don't know guys, but we're not getting freaking anywhere like this. Every time Duarte and I want to go outside, we wait until the rain stops and then we go outside, and within 5 minutes, like... Last time we wanted to walk back inside and the rain stopped. Let's wait it out. Duarte's almost finished with the tiles. And yeah, we're quitting for today because I still need to upload the video for today for you guys. We're running way behind here already. We're gonna make up for it tomorrow. So yeah, the window is still non-existent. We almost got this cleared out. So tomorrow I'm gonna like make framing for the sides here, make it the correct width, and we're gonna cut out the window and also do the probably the bottom of the window with framing and concrete it. We have to make up for some time. I think it will be fine. Dwight is here now, so I got 2 extra hands. And we have 8 paws. Should be all fine. Now I'm gonna quickly make the video now for you guys. See you all tomorrow. Hopefully with better weather. Otherwise we're gonna put up a tarp. Say goodbye, Dwight.
Bye, see you in the next video.
See you in the next video, guys. Thank you for watching another video of the Portugal project. If you want to follow the Portugal project more closely, you can also add it on Facebook. Or add me on my personal account on Facebook or Instagram. See you next time at the Portugal project.